In this short video, we're going to use FIMMPROP to study the coupling between two identical waveguides when there's an offset between them. So already set up is a simple ridge waveguide, just an hourglass ridge, and I've set to calculate a few modes of the structure. So here are some of the guided modes and some of what's called radiation modes, which we'll use for the calculation. So there's the fundamental mode. There are some of the mode properties. And we've put this waveguide in a FIMMPROP device. Right now it's a single section of 10 microns on its own. What we're going to do though, we're going to copy this, copy, paste, and in between the two identical waveguide sections, we're going to add what's called a joint. And if I switch back to the symbolic view, there's the symbolic representation of this joint. And it's in this joint, in the properties, where we can set an offset. For example, a horizontal offset of 2 microns, for example. We can see there it's offset. So what we're going to do to make our lives easier, we're going to create a variable of type, let's just call it offset. And we'll just give it the value of 2 microns. Once we've created it in this variables list, I can use that pretty much anywhere in the user interface. So I'm going to go back to the properties of the joint, edit the alignment, and type in offset. And now when I change that variable, the structure will change as well. So what we're next going to do is use FIMMPROP scanner. So we're going to add a FIMMPROP scanner. And we're going to choose to study the offset device. The variable we're going to automatically vary is offset. We're going to do 65 calculations between -3 and +3. So when I select Scan Start, I'm going to remove the second mode in the list. I just want to calculate at the right-hand side how much power is coupled into mode 1. And here you see it building the graph. So that was 65 calculations there in just a few seconds. Obviously, as we expected, there's some symmetry to this situation. Obviously it's 0. But let's say, for example, we want to understand the full width half maximum. The full width half maximum is around 3.2 microns. So that gives us an understanding of our tolerances involved when we're having this sort of offset or butt coupling situation. And FIMMPROP is a perfect tool to help you understand that.